Hey there, my name is Shea and welcome back to my channel. I am a full-time work-from-home mom of 2 boys, and today I'm going to do a complete disaster clean of our family room. Please hit the thumbs up button if you'd love to see more videos like this, and I would love it if you would subscribe and follow me on this journey. You'll see this crib mattress right here. Our youngest son has physical therapy once a week, and he uses this from time to time for that. So just kind of gets pushed around for now until we figure out something else to do. But for now, it's working for him. Most of this stuff is brought down from our kids' rooms. They wanted to make little forts and whatnot with their stuffies, and then like the train set goes to another room. So here I'm just gonna load it all up and tote it back to where it belongs. If you're curious what you're seeing there on the left side of the screen, that is a custom-made cat tree for our 2 cats that my dad made for us. And it's working pretty well. They really like it.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out.
We moved into this house last September, so we've been here for almost a full year, and I finally rearranged this room to where I pushed this couch to this far back wall. I'm thinking about using this window pane that is right behind me above the window or above the couch, and then doing a gallery wall above the other couch. So if you are interested in seeing how I'm going to finish decorating this room, I would love your input.
Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly,
Thanks for sticking around and watching this complete disaster cleanup. I would love it if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more cleaning videos, or if you're interested in seeing how I complete the decorating of our home. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Honestly.